on each of the 4 counts. My Lord, as prosecution, we want to begin by thanking the court for the time, patience, and effort exhibited in the process. And my Lord, as prosecutors, we are advocates for the people, and I'm instructed to thank the court and the judicial administration for bringing justice closer to the people, on whose behalf the courts derive judicial power, my Lord. Under Article 126. For in the image of God, as God made mankind. Lord, that is what the convict confesses, says in Genesis 9:6. My Lord, in this case, the victims were attacked from one of the safest places in our communities. A daycare center is supposed to be a sanctuary. A place of laughter, learning, and absolute safety. To the contrary, my Lord, the convict turned the center into a scene of a well-calculated which caused unimaginable terror in the community and the country at large. My Lord, the convict participated in an extremely violent crime. We submit, Your Lordship, that you are now enjoined with a noble duty to administer a sentence that is commensurate with the crime committed. A sentence that must serve an equivalent punishment that was occasioned. Among others include cases where the commission of the offense was planned or meticulously premeditated and executed. In human history, and a person who applies a knife on another, my lord, deserves no mercy.
Era tusaba kooti eno etunuulire enkozesa n'ekika ky'ekisi
all through their lives. And the same, my lord, applies to the caretakers. And without a doubt, the entire Gaba community.
Era tusaba kooti etunule oba ono asingisiddwa omusango bwe yazza omusango guno waaliwo abantu abalala ng'abaana, ng'era asingisiddwa omusango ono teyafaayo na kubeerawo kw'abaana balala n'abaali babalabirira. Abaana bano abaaliwo ng'okusanjaga kuno kugenda mu maaso okw'abaana abaatirimbulwa bajja kubeerawo mu bulamu bwabwe bwonna n'okutuntuzibwa ku birowoozo n'abantu bennyini bano abaaliwo abaali balabirira abaana bano n'abantu bonna
by the Uganda Police Force, my lord, I say publicly available 4,329 human beings killed. And my lord, just last year, 2025, we lost 4,238 reported human beings killed. My lord, let me just conclude, then you. My lord, figures don't lie. And to put this in context, your lordship, from the statistics of our recent census in this country that are also publicly available on the website of the Uganda Bureau of Standards, of Uganda Bureau of Statistics website, an average village in Uganda is between 500 to 1,000 people. Now, if we are to take the figure that just happened last year, my lord, what this means is that every year, if we are to take the most densely populated village at the tail end of 1,000, my lord, that would mean that Uganda every year is losing 4 villages are being extinguished at the hands of murderers every single year. My lord, this is at the high end.
Obutemu bungi nnyo mu ggwanga lyaffe era nga tunuulidde ebibalo ebiriko ne ku mitimbagano nga guno ogwa poliisi eya Uganda nga era n'akatabo kano akaafulumizibwa mu mwaka 2025 obuzibu bw'emisango buli waggulu ng'era okusinziira ku peegi eya 3 tubaliridde okuva emyaka 4 emabega nga mu mwaka 2022 twafiirwa abantu 4,442, mu mwaka 2023 abantu 4,248, mu mwaka 2024 abantu.
Lwanga Mayanja. I am a probation and social welfare officer. I work with the Kampala Capital City Authority and I sit at Machinde Division.
Okay, who did you contact in this case?
I spoke with the parents of the deceased. I also spoke with the grandparents. And I also spoke with the area chairpersons. And I also spoke with a few community members.
Okay, those few community members were informed by what? How did you make the selection of who to ask?
The chairman took me around and informed me that these are our community members and that you can also ask them about the incident and how it traumatized them. But all of them, my lord, they were in great shock. And they all informed me that they had never seen anything like this in their community. And they requested for the highest punishment, my lord.
Thank you very much. I would like to see the... Yes. Okay. Okay, let me hear from the father of the late patient.
And we do this such that the court reaches a verdict and justice prevails.
Please interpret.
Tussa ekitiibwa era twebaza kkooti eno.
My Lord, in mitigation, under paragraph 21F of the sentencing guidelines, the convict is a first offender with no previous conviction or no relevant or recent conviction. My Lord, the convict suffers from sickle cell. Under paragraph 21O, the convict can be still productive to the community. We've seen him buy land in Nuoya district to farm. Under paragraph 60, it's our duty to inform the court about the offender's social background. We shall give what we know. The convict comes from a broken, dysfunctional family. Even the children do not talk to each other. Their siblings do not talk to each other. This social vice eats deep in the family, and broken and dysfunctional families always leads to broken and dysfunctional people. And as a society, we need to work hard and see that that every family that is broken and dysfunctional gets back together. But this can only be done if we come together as a society. Finally, my Lord, We pray that the period the convict has spent on remand to be taken into account. On the punishment, we trust that this honorable court shall come up with a fair and just sentence. We so pray.